feel unhappy in anything and everything you do? Do you feel that you're not as healthy as you should be and often keep getting sick? Having problems keeping your finances in order? Well, we all have been there at some point in our lives. You know, there was a time when I felt really unhappy in life and all areas of my life were affected. That is when I consulted my meditation guru for guidance. She told me some really amazing Tibetan Buddhist mantras that instantly attracted happiness, good health, and prosperity into my life. Do you know that our prosperity, health, and happiness are all interlinked? And a great way to acquire these is through Tibetan Buddhist mantras and chants. You know, I recently came back from Ladakh, and since then I have been learning the right way to chant these Tibetan Buddhist mantras. I have heard that they are quite powerful and they can help you attract prosperity, health, and happiness in life. And my meditation guru told me the same. Today in Meditate with Me, I'm going to share the same mantras with you. These mantras are called Tara mantras. Goddess Tara is regarded as the mother of all Buddhas in Tibetan Buddhism. She is commonly thought to be a Bodhisattva or Buddha of compassion and action. She is a protector who comes to our aid to relieve us of all our physical, emotional, and spiritual sufferings. Tara has 21 major forms, each of which has a different color and spiritual attribute. Today, we are going to discuss and practice 3 Tara mantras. The first one is the Green Tara mantra. Green Tara Ma is primarily worshipped by devotees for the fulfillment of their wishes and to attain mental strength, peace, and happiness. In fact, during the uncertain, troubling days of 2020 pandemic, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, when asked for spiritual advice on the pandemic, he had suggested that chanting the Green Tara mantra could be helpful. This powerful mantra is Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha. I repeat, Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha. Before we start chanting, sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Breathe normally. You can take 108 mala beads and chant this mantra 108 times, or practice this for 10 to 15 minutes at a stretch with full concentration. The latter is a method I personally prefer because it helped my mind become completely submerged in my practice. Now it's time you meditate with me. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Breathe normally. You can choose to take mala beads and chant this mantra. Make sure you follow my voice as I chant the mantra. Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha. 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 Chant this mantra every morning or evening, minimum 21 times or maximum 108 times. The next mantra is White Tara mantra. The Tibetan Buddhists pray to White Tara Ma, especially for health, healing, and longevity. She offers healing to our wounds, whether it is our bodies or our minds that have been hurt. The White Tara mantra is Om Tare Tutare Ture Mama Ayur Gyan Punye Pushtim Kuru Soha. I repeat, Om Tare Tutare Ture Mama Ayur Gyan Punye Pushtim Kuru Soha. To chant this mantra, sit comfortably in Sukhasana. You can take 108 mala beads and chant this mantra 108 times, or practice this mantra for 10 to 15 minutes at a stretch with full concentration. When you focus your attention on this mantra, you immerse yourself in a healing and transformational nature. Now it's time you meditate with me. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana. Breathe normally. You can choose to take the mala beads and chant this mantra. Make sure you follow my voice as I chant the mantra. tare tutare, ture mama ayur gyan punni pushtim kuru soha. Om tare tutare, ture mama ayur gyan punni pushtim kuru soha. Om tare tutare, ture mama ayur gyan punni pushtim kuru soha. Om tare tutare, ture mama ayur gyan punni pushtim kuru soha. Om tare tutare, ture mama ayur gyan punni pushtim kuru soha. Chant this mantra every morning for minimum 21 times or maximum 108 times. By chanting this powerful mantra, you're actually calling in a very specific healing energy, allowing the virtues and qualities to heal any associated imbalances within you. The third Tara mantra is the yellow Tara mantra for money, wealth, luck and prosperity. The mantra is Om Tare Tutare Ture Pushtim Kuru Soha. I repeat, Om Tare Tutare Ture Pushtim Kuru Soha. To do this mantra, sit comfortably in Sukhasana. You can take 108 mala beads and chant this mantra 108 times, or practice this for 10 to 15 minutes at a stretch with full concentration. Now it's time you meditate with me. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana, breathe normally. You can choose to take mala beads and chant this mantra. Make sure you follow my voice as I chant the mantra. Om Tare Tutare, Ture Pushtim Kuru Soha. 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 Chant this yellow Tara mantra, preferably in the morning, for minimum 21 times or maximum 108 times. These mantras that we have discussed, chant them regularly to see their effects. Before chanting the mantra, state your wish clearly and then ask the goddess to bless you with that particular wish. I hope you liked today's video and I pray these chants work for you as well. Before I sign off, here are the mantras once again that you should chant while meditating. The first is green Tara mantra, Om Tare Tutare Ture Soha. The second is the white Tara mantra, Om Tare Tutare Ture Mama Ayur Gyan Punye Pushtim Kuru Soha. The third is the yellow Tara mantra, Om Tare Tutare Ture Pushtim Kuru Soha. So, are you going to chant these mantras? Or do you have any other mantras that you usually chant? Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.